Start pumping. There. You didn't know how far it was going to go, did you? That's convenient, getting my grandson to do it. My grandson wants to know what happens if we don't put water in it. There you go. Much less distance. Still works, but much less. Okay, we're up on the downs and we're trying the water rockets. My grandson is in charge.
Shall I go?
Carry on. Way, that's coming straight back down. Excellent. Okay, this is the other rocket. Carry on. Yeah, not as powerful, but it works. Way up there. Coming down. You got a great height that time. Right, that one is that one. That's the one that's doing the best height. And that one is the other one. That one, which doesn't go so high. My grandson's decided he's going to do the big bottle. This is it. That's all the water we've got then. So there's no second chances. I think we might have too much water in there, but we'll go for it. Right, make sure the plastic's under that wire. That stops it flying up behind it. Okay. He realises how much further back I'm standing. Oh, that was a shame. That wasn't quite as exciting as I hoped, but it was interesting. Thanks for watching. You'll always find more information down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. You might like to subscribe just here. Over here is my latest video on my channel. And down below is a playlist related to what you've just been watching. Thanks again for watching.